Okay guys, so we have CIVIC TYPE R FL5. We're gonna replace the clutch master cylinder. Okay guys, so this is the new part. First step you guys need to do is remove this clip right here, and the part at the bottom right there. For the clip, you're gonna do it through the bottom. When you have it off, you're gonna remove the 10mm, and I'll show you later. And then to now remove the hard line. The hard line is because we don't want the fluid to come off. Some fluid is gonna come off, but it has to happen. But the whole amount of fluid to come off the line. So next step, we're gonna loose two 12mm. That way we can have it ready to just swap it. So we lose that much. First step, you gotta remove the clip right there, all the way out. All the way out. This clip. Okay, second step, you're gonna be at the bottom of the car, and it's a 10mm nut right here. You want this to give yourself a little bit of movement. The clutch line, it's a hard line, so it's up here on top of this bracket. You can feel it right there. And there we go. That way you can move the line up and down. Ready for the next step. Now we're gonna get the bolts. To be ready to remove them. We remove the hard line. It's a little bit hard to do on the toe. I wanted to show the process. Once you do that, as you can see, the hard line is out. Now you can come and remove by hand the actually, there's a little bit of a spring pressure coming from the part, so you gotta do it like that. Yeah, so here's the part. With the new part. It will come with the plug, so remove that. Now start aligning with the pivot. Which is this piece right here. See where this is gonna go in. You removed it. And put it right there. We'll start putting a little bit of pressure. We align it with the two 12mm. And also make sure the car is not hot. Make sure it's, say we've got one. Or it's hot. It's gonna be too hot and we're gonna burn it. So install the second bolt into the transmission. Try to push right in this case towards the transmission. I'll show you the cluster or anything. Use the 1/4" tool. Quarters. Goes down. Give you the torque measurements later. Done. Okay. Now to bleed it, you're gonna need a 8mm. You're gonna open up the bleeder screw, and you're gonna wait for the fluid to start coming out. This car shares clutch and brake reservoir, so I'm just adding a little bit more so I can have the flow. Once that starts to go, I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna check if that's enough. If not, I'm gonna use the brake bleeder to pull all the fluid and air out of the system.